Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about prospects of retailing in India. So last session we discussed about evaluation of retail in India. What do you mean by retailing? So everything we discussed, reverse of change in that retail. So now we are going to discuss prospects of retailing in India one by one. So first, very important in the prospects, e-commerce and omni-channel retailing. So e-commerce, everyone know, electronic commerce. As a customer, we are going to purchase any product through online, right? So that is the e-commerce, like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, right? Meesho. So these are all the best example for that e-commerce platform. And omni-channel retailing is a new thing for that. It's a new word for every customers. But if you're purchasing, for example, if it is a Starbucks or McDonald's like that, if you're purchasing any product from that, so for example, if you are purchasing any product from that Starbucks or McDonald's, any pizza or burger means you will get some redeemable points. Redeemable points, as well as you will get that some of the products in that offer and discount in that same mobile. For example, if it is a Swiggy, you can order something, you will get the redeemable points. So depends upon the points, you will get some credit points, redeemable points. So depends upon that. If you're purchasing another product in that shop, means you will get some discount. So omni-channel retailing, emerging technologies. So technologies, it's amazing. So every day the technology will be updated. For example, it is AI. So now in all the products, we are using the AI, and also we are using augmented reality and virtual reality, sustainability and ethical retailing. So all the products will be in original quality. You must follow the ethics, changing consumer preferences. The taste and preferences will be differ from one day to another day. So depends upon that, the consumer preferences will be changing. Regulatory support and challenges. It's very important. For example, in case of any budget or anything means immediately you can accept the rules and regulations. You must obey the rules and regulations by the government. So regulatory support and challenges. Competition. If you're manufacturing any product, if you're having any retail sectors, definitely they're having the competition will be more. So what about the uniqueness of the product? Definitely you are success in the market. So competition and economic growth. So economic growth is a very important prospect in the retailing, because if you take it as a standard of living, economic growth, if you take Bangalore, the standard of living will be very high. For example, if you're having that 2 BHK house, the rent will be very high. Why I am saying that? So the economic growth will be different from the tier 1 and tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Like tier 1, Chennai, Coimbatore, Bangalore, like that, and tier 2, some of the places like that. Tier 2 in the sense Mumbai, tier 3, if you take it as Assam. So tier 3 cities, they are not having that proper infrastructure in the retail. So the economic growth will be differ from one place to another place. So what are the challenges and opportunities in retailing? A lot of challenges it's happened that retail sector. You take it as a challenges, organized retail, supply chain limitations, regulatory framework, outdated technology, real estate challenges, rise of e-commerce, then FDI, foreign direct investment. So these are the challenges and opportunities in retailing. If you take it as an organized retail, so there is some structure. For example, if you're going to that hypermarket or supermarket or departmental stores, kirana stores, everything, not kirana stores, but it is departmental stores or hypermarket or supermarket, everything it will be structured. That is organized retail. That's only we are saying but it's the biggest channel. I mean, the biggest challenge. Why? Because we are having the 2 to 3 floors are there, but we are going to organize all the products in the proper place. So organized retail is the biggest challenge for the retail. and the supply chain limitations, because if you transfer the product from one place to another place, they're having a lot of restrictions. If you are seeing that some perishable products or like vegetables, so these are all things are very if you have to transfer the product from one place to another place, it will be very difficult. So, and also we are having some warehouses to store the goods in the warehouse, and another day it will be sold to that market, and the customer will buy the particular product. Then regulatory framework. So, a lot of regulations are there. So, government regulations like FDI or indirect investment, and also you have to put the price of your product, and you're having the GST, VAT, right? So, GST, goods and service tax. So, you must obey the rules and regulations by the retailers. And outdated technology. The technology is booming, but if you're outdated, means definitely you're not survive in the market. So that is outdated technology. And real estate challenges, it's very important because in the traditional to compared to that modern, they are having a lot of challenges they are facing in the real estate area. And rise of e-commerce, that's very biggest advantage for the customers, because every time they are going to that shop and you are going to select the product, but now you are sitting in that home, and also you can order goods through online. So e-commerce, not only that particular product, for example, if you take it as a food itself, Swiggy, Zomato, so everything you can order through online, you will get the food in that same place. As for indirect investment, foreign direct investment is a very important thing. For example, it is McDonald's, KFC, Starbucks. So everyone entered into India, but head office is in that US or UK, but they are having branches in India. So these are the major challenges they are facing in the retail sector. Uh, Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.